Yo, hello there. Welcome back. Welcome back again to this series, and there's gonna be a new series on the channel where we are gonna learn and see how this C program's gonna end up. Okay, so I have done many programming languages tutorial in my channel, and I have removed that, but there's gonna be a series with serious uploading. So there you go. I'm using Linux here. Maybe you already have Linux, so this is gonna be C programming for Linux. It's Ubuntu. Let me just make a folder here on desktop. Make it as a C. So if we are here, let's see if we can see that. Okay, we are on downloads. Let's make Curl or desktop, and here make a folder C. Now we have that folder. Okay, let me put it here. So let's go inside of this folder, and I'm using Vim. You can use Nano. Let's see if I have Vim, and make it as main.c. Okay, we don't have Vim here. Let's install Vim. Okay, so there you go. It depends on my network speed. It's pretty good. Okay, now we have Vim. Let me maximize this so we can see our first C program. Okay, there you go. Let me clear this. And here is our then again main.c. And if you're new to Vim and you need some configuration here, so you can watch another YouTubers for Vim RC, or let me just set numbers here because that's cool thing. Numbers and set number. Now we have this. Okay, so starting a C program, so you have to always include standard header file to main, and something we have to print. Let's don't print this, let's print our own name. Okay, then also new line. Let's have written 0 because we don't, our program is successfully end up. And then WQ, don't worry about this, I'm gonna explain you everything what's happening in these 7 lines. So let's go and quit this. Now we have to run this. You can see now we have the C file here, and we want to convert it into a really binary one so our computer or machine can understand that. So for doing this we are going to use GCC, but first let me check if we have GCC or not. So for that you can just check GCC version. We don't have GCC. Now we have to install GCC because it's fresh install. I just install Ubuntu today. So let's wait a second. We're just gonna install everything in this video. We don't need anything else after this. And if I'm being regular on this series, then we are to cover data structure and algorithms too. Okay, now it's done. Let me clean this, and there you go. Now we have this our main file here. Let's use GCC and this main file, And what is this flag? O means it's an output. So you have GCC, now we have our code here. Now we have to output it something like 001, which I always do. Let's do just 001 or dot hello or something which we can able to understand from looking at. Okay, so here we go. Now we have this 001, and we can run it as the same way as binary file can be run. So there you go, 001, and there you go. This is our output. Now back to the code. We have done. What happened if I just open it like here? Okay, yeah, nice. I can open it here instead of Vim. So here the first line is we are including our headers file, which is some standard libraries. Maybe people can ask you was stdio.h means, because people have asked me this a lot. So it's like standard input output. Maybe yo. So this std is standard, then io is input or output, and .h is header file. Now we have this function here. We will talk about functions a lot. We have this too, like a print function. So in int main we are putting in everything here. So here we have to write our one more thing which I have to add. Your C program starts from this line. If somebody asks you or you are getting a question in exam, so you have to say like, this is the point from where C program starts, from int main. And this line is you are printing something out on this terminal here. So printf, you are just printing. Okay, let me just make this. You are printing this string here. Don't worry about the string, we will talk about data types, and then return 0, your program is successful. And if I should tell you about why we are using return 0, is because it doesn't affect when you just run a program if you include it or not, but it does affect when you watch out the binary and go deeply into that stuff. So well, that's that. Close it.